Did you miss me? To fill you in on the part that you missed, and to let you know that I do own chapstick, because hopefully you weren't paying attention, but it looked like I had 2 deep fried potholes on the bottom of my lip. So yeah, we handled that. This little tab right here is going to line up on your left hand side of your steering column, and that's basically for the turn defeat on your stock. So when you turn, it clicks and it resets it back into place. So that's why you want it over there. See if the horn works. I don't know what part of the video cut out actually. All right, so now oh no, it doesn't work. Interesting. Because when you have an electrical ground, it must touch bare metal. That's how the circuit's completed, and that's how a ground is made, with bare metal. Yo, these spade connectors are brolic, bro. Damn. Now let's see. It's lit. We can get more space from the steering column, so we don't keep rubbing into this. Now this is a 1-inch spacer. This should give me enough clearance to clear the stock, which you'll see is gonna be messed up, and also fit the horn inside. So we're gonna do that too. And there you have it. And I have space now. I have space where it doesn't bump into my stock for my windshield wipers or anything, and we're good.